Hi, I am Subha. Welcome to this KDP Research live video. So in this video, I will be finding my next math workbook idea. If you are following me for any length of time, you may also know that I have been publishing math workbooks on Amazon since 2022. My math workbooks have been selling pretty well since last 4 years. So I will be finding my next book idea using Titans Pro. Titans Pro is a Chrome extension by self-publishing Titans. You can check out the link in the description below to follow along and check out this KDP Research tool. In the Amazon search bar, I just type math. I have already installed and enabled this Chrome extension. So once I click on the extension, it quickly loads the data. Here it shows keyword, then search volume, Amazon search results, demand score, and opportunity score. Similarly, there is a column 2. It also shows the keywords with search volume, Amazon search results, demand, and opportunity score. The good thing about this tool is it allows you to sort these either by search volume, by search results, demand score, or opportunity score. Most of the time I sort these results by opportunity. So I'm going to do the same again. I have sorted these columns by opportunity score. Now I will be quickly looking at these keywords to find my next book idea. Math with confidence, kindergarten. I think this is trademark word. Then we can scroll. Math notebook for kids could be a low content book or a journal type notebook. This could be a good idea. I can open this in new tab. Then is math notebooks for school. Then is math notebook 5-star, math notebook spiral. To find good niche ideas, I will be looking at these opportunity score and the demand score, as well as these two numbers, search volume and search results. Ideally, I look for an opportunity score of 9 and demand score of 5+. And a decent search volume and competing products 3000 at max. With these parameters in mind, I will be looking at these search results. Similarly, I can look at the second column. Math cubes kindergarten, math games for kids, math games for kids 8 to 12, math games for kindergarten, math games first grade. So these are mostly keyword ideas for physical items other than math workbooks. I am going to add the word workbook to find specific math workbook ideas. I will sort these by opportunity score from higher to lower. Second grade math workbook 13,946. This is the estimated search volume. Search results are 2,338. Demand score is 7 and opportunity score is 9. It looks very good niche to me. I will open this in new tab. Math workbook for adult. It appears to be a good niche again. High search volume, low number of search results. Demand score is high and opportunity score is also high. Kindergarten math workbooks ages 5 to 6. 6,000 plus search volume. I can open this in new tab as well. Then is math workbook grade 3 to 4, another good idea. Similarly, third grade math workbook grade 2 to 3. Titans Pro is showing me a lot of niche ideas or book ideas. Very quickly, math problems for adults workbook. That could be a very good book idea as well. So I have found a lot of ideas in the first column alone. So in the second column, I can also see simple math workbook for adults. That could be a very good niche idea. Math workbooks for kindergartners, math multiplication games. That could be a good idea as well. We can create a math workbook and include math games inside it. Summer math workbook grades 1 to 2. Math workbooks for 4th grade, 2nd grade math workbook grade 8 to 9. That could be a good niche idea as well. But you can see here the demand is going down a bit. The number of results may be higher. Math workbook first grade. That could be a very good niche idea as well. So I have opened a handful of niche ideas in new tab and I will further analyze using the same extension. It also shows you the deep analysis of the niche or keyword idea. So I will be looking at these individually. Our first keyword was math notebook for kids. It has 1244 results. That's very low competition. Then the average bestseller rank is 220. Then average reviews are 1214, lowest is 0 and the highest is 17,000 plus. Average price is 9, lowest is 3 and the highest is 29. I will scroll down and look at the individual books and make a decision. Should I create a book in this niche or not? You can see these books are selling 18,000 BSR, 131,000, 17,000. So these books or notebooks are selling. So this could be a good niche. So math notebook for kids. Kindergarten math workbooks ages 5 to 6. Total results are 1152. There is no exact match on the first page. Individually published books are 5. Average BSR is just below 98,000 and the lowest is 766 and the highest is over 1.3 million. So average reviews are 1503 and lowest is 21 and the highest is just over 16,000. So I will quickly go and look at the actual books and see their BSRs and the quality of the covers. It's selling very well. It's a brand book. Another one, Modern Kid Press, it's selling as well. So these books are dominating here. Competing here would be a bit difficult because there are no individual self-publisher in the first few results. So these books are selling well, but these mostly belong to brands. So I am looking for an individual seller like this one. This could be an individual seller and it's selling as well. I can open this in new tab and do a further research. So looking at the actual listings is a good idea to actually decide that if this niche is a good fit for you or not. You can see this is fairly newly published book. It's individually published. There is one individually published book here and that's ranking well. The rest of the books are published by brands, FBA sellers. So competing here would be a bit difficult, but I can still make a book and rank it via Amazon ads. So you can see another individually published book is selling very well. The BSR is just over 91,000 and it's selling. So I found a couple of individually published books on this first page. This is the previous book I just saw above. So there are a couple of individually published books ranking well here and these are making money. I will repeat this process for every niche idea I just found. I will quickly look at this data by self-publishing titans Chrome extension. Math workbook grade 3 to 4 appears to be good numbers except this bestseller rank. It's on higher side, which indicates that the demand is not that great. But I will do a manual research by actually looking at these books and note down independently published books. This is independently published book and it is ranking. I can too create a book and rank here. This is the same book. They are running ads for it. It is another independently published book and it's selling every other day. There are independently published books here like this one. It's selling as well. It's a good niche as well. If you want to create math workbooks fast, you can also check out Math Worksheet Generator, and if you want to try out Titans Pro, there would be a link as well in the description below. So that was a niche research video from me. Thanks for watching. If you have questions and suggestions, do let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video.